papa ben na upe bi ashe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa ben na upe bi ashe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa ben na upe bi ashe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa ben na upe bi ashe amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu
Ewusia yamamo ajo na enwakwaba ene eye eda ukuyada 28 July 2021 Ebeneza aha eno nyame ede abedru yemfa asedama no no na ya boy atrasi ni nyamre etumi asiripi dwumade no eye sinopi we are live on Kumawood television yamo ajo once again today ede say Mike on behalf of the entire crew enyumre ene yentransam no doso lelitie edika ene nyamre na etumi asi ho enkonwa ori se yebeje atumu se enyentumu se ema ne ma eda mema eda bill no ni private bill no ye ready mo 21 days bit mature na afi masoja fo betu agi atumu se enedie akonya bia ni ho eva magana ni bia se oyo oba wa yenso ni oba ebeda oya bema so aba yenso no nya bema beda ana se ba ko fa die bi kura ya boduaba a ekse ade we de sade no a wo de kire eno no da bi nyame ya dom na mra no mature within 21 days a e ma so nenso enura ukopie mu e wo US embassy e wo Ghana na omo flags no e kosoro no na US so assign ama give for flag so no omo flag ne high pa omo ka so omo de omo edge give for the tomb say they have their right to practice whatever, being a gay or any sexual rabiano, same-sex marriage. No more tumpa into one titi be a family so. Into a mono US ambassador wa Ghana there. Was say ordinary man no tumpa say sa LGBT no kill no intimate koso. I some members of parliament also say say sa merano say you tumu ebe ha ban pa visa besia bi na ade bi e wo say aba no nyanya mo bi nyanya ana COVID-19 na ha ne nyanya nti no ntamra de nkeye na nso time na mra na ba no mra ne kokoba e mo man no e be sika sem ntimi nyina so nti be ya ye ntwenche say onum say nipa nwotwe e no ma se bejafo a omo di Ghana fo nyina na mu Christopher Muslim for Buddhist for traditional rulers for omo di nyina ya na mu wo ma se bedwamu a omo esiki se anti LGBTQ bill no yin passe na afi ne nyama kentene a emo bintimi nye bi e wo my Ghana na do de akote pa no Sam George ne go papa ma se bedwani ene di ene mu pa na NDC for ye nson na NPP ni ye ba ko ma se bedwam ma se bedwafo nwotwe na omo ese omo mpre e ma nei omo sese ye nsemra kete emfa emwa na honorable Fojo so no asen asen love am say honorable ewo is it asen of I think asen but it's not asen of ho eno wo ono kwa na MPP ni a ho emra se bejo ni enei wa je gina mpa se da bi o maka ina so na NDC fo na so ni na mu no Ghana fo ina both NDC MPP or whatever ina se yempe sa de no gabe o tida ko se de ya na ha na amwa o ipere ho na ye de ya sa de no ha na amwa e ho nkobo enyamre ne nei yatumi di breaking news a nei eba ene se ye koto aba onu se nei abe koto ye no e ho be enkron e o court a odo o ma members of parliament there enso ye kan won sem e court ebi e jomoro Docas afotofi ono no de no e wo ho sanso enana ukọ asen nofa Cape Coast High Court ati say asen nofa about koto ye no ama jo jache question be kaya na ye to aba no wie ne beto bakwa na manfo so ohudi dual citizenship Canadian citizen na wasan ye Ghanaian citizen nya kwakwa ye mienu na on the October 9th 2020 ana electoral commission ebiem so bia betumi afale no sabre no na papa no eda so ehodi on to the dual citizenship no e Canada ni a wasan Ghana ni tidem bra ma no ho kwan koto aba wie ye e ma mo sa de court kwa say eni kwan say ye ma ne kwan na utimi eso in and now holding herself as a member of parliament elect for Cape Ascent North constituency mo be kai ho say be amaso be afo twen ho a be more than 6 hours na so sa man so no ekuru echi no na honorable question they are sworn in as member of parliament and then Cape Coast High Court akwa setena omo the ruling aba do mo kan na say yen san koto aba no foforo e wo Cape Coast Ascent North ina na say the member of parliament ho would we hold in ho so member of parliament bio if we ne ya make us into woni mu no a wona yen area ene kaso ye former aid den pa wo so na fa na MP a wo former MP e de wan chebo so mesia ele kakra so he can not hold himself as a member of parliament again e was sent off because say onye Ghana ni oba e beto ba no onye Ghana ni emra no ama no ho kwan but a lot of legal experts aside abekasa say esa ruling we no aya high court na also mu also Supreme Court Alex Segbefia leading member of the NDC Obeka bi NDC minority so ma se be so akase the court na ye no it's just a part of the bagana no na Benefsin also on the poster and also the ababa to just say ballot ne ba ko e be kwakoto no ye kwa nye dan ya NPP e be din kunim the seat no na yo mo de amfo so keto abi no mo ye ya e ko di NDC nsem ye nyamre na yetumi adi e ho so enkomo COVID-19 yare no egusu a ekoso enti na wahwe yi pa na afenema atumi amwa na ura kwaku anyi de ho enkane na oye to the former president the late J.A. Mills obey deputy secretary for the NDC or contested with the Sedun Katia willing to become the general secretary of the party oman twama no ewie ya na kasanye kura kasa wakano wakana utumzaze na papa yi NDC na ase bia wadwane every NDC akwa MPP omo say omo neck for friend no isme kwa tu for friend no won samo nye won ye bra ne be hu ano omo friend bia o tia kai mo na me ko school party mo ba mo na mo fa na ba party num ama enei omo ekwa asetena omo ko nyi de ho apa mo na free party num ama on fa de musu enko sa na party num anu bi e kan so no ho musu on fa enko MPP before so I say oh anyi de ho ya pam wa nyame ya dum na nka wo ba pa back to the ND na so ba NPP a ye be jo 10 pa is a good asset e de ma o my Ghana ho komo enso e wa ha nyamre na yetumi edi new terminal for Kumasi International Airport to be ready by October 2022 and also any seba abeto ejwa we say enra and catch us mo sizongo ade say eja ato fie bi mu ama ahye fie ho japade ama mofra mienu ahye mo dwebe ama esesa mofra no a so mo ashes eno enso era etimi akos the third wave of coronavirus most dangerous Nana Komia and Eka on your health expert there, but the health expert can say third wave no very dangerous. But MPP Mayokono, General Secretary John Boadu, we could be soon could be the Yamin, of course, some of the trouble man dear Yamin, Mavor Casa John Bayan or Boakra, John Boadu, at the partner at the code of conduct, Abba. Say Yamian to Musa a party ni open national position and I say obey flag bearer for the MPP obey campaign. Did the alliance maintain Baumia and Afekoto or say more Uso of free yes or more Omuyai Mrava the Abato Hono so we know the bull and as well also be disqualified from the race and also Encomo and so Waha Attorney General and Health Ministers we need almost be Jamua Omu Eji and Sembi. And on some day, I don't so yatasi nyame na yetumi di nkomo na afi I said your minor I want some so no esite fa je chelebra ni nyamre enkenkan intumi enfama so the first by election I heard him say bekoso ewo my Ghana ewo central region and court assess yen kwata bana foforo we say MP win ye no na eni kwan say ugina kra me tono so aba na who call some nkomo wa ha ko yese so a asotwe no enso ene sen enso nkomo enso wa ha hwe a MP no obeko jail wan twakra no de nim so twakra no be 10 years there we fi twa no jail nkomo so wa ebenyamre na etumedi we will apply the law if you fail to return party properties okonye do we say party no japade bi won ho na yo so dikete na tuja se wa mfa japade no wa ma o ma ga na se mra ha mra bedi no na court kwa de me kwa de japade bia no aba the party o mo se kokonye do party flags we fi ID cards ayi nyusu enya print ye papers no ne ade we fi na no adaro ma eyiwe dia fabra mentime mo some of the adults me dey say Mike ha Kumawu TV live on Facebook Kumawu TV also live on YouTube Kumawu TV. I said down Kumawu God's Way Casket Shop, Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center, Kumawu Training Institute, Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic, and I have so our travel and logistics. So we now do musika as we are Senate na 28th of July. Edijumedi abroad. And let me guess time in Yamle no Masinkonya, a former parliamentary candidate for the NDC in the Ishaya constituency in Ashanti region of Ghana, Evangelist Richard Pra. And I feel the Ashanti regional communication team member of the NPP, and so Nana Eji, and also Ufia. I'm Nana Kwaba. Now, if you enjoy Honya about from Katomra, Sima Eba, in Yamre, Etumi, Esripa. James, the Fabra numbers no good screen, I say, at the bar in Tem, in Yamre, Etumi, I can carry a mile. Nay, with the voice to so when Yamre, let me abo, and so at the amount. What do you say? Se Ghana kano kwa na ekona nimu nti sheneso so efa my covid still ho tia na what you should no smarts wa ho sa wateto ntem na afi so no abo mo homodin a se onfa won san so hunu oni asebasabasa let me abo ma yare na together let me fight the novel coronavirus delta variant ini aba ama mini akwaba na afi en chasse na akwaba
Major Sir Mike.
Bakwade.
Adom ne ahweye ye ho den pa. Ebia eda na kwa musa mejidi se won so ho ye.
Yeah. Me ho ye pa. Na John Bodu say emra ho. Nti party emma no omuni mra no so. Anya some be disqualified as parent.
Sir Mike,
how do you do that, say? You support a lunch maintain. And of course, yes. So MPP before primary is there, I mean MPP. But somebody I think say party no fanembra na ABNDC for so eyo modia no so my selection say Alan a fine gentleman Alan man tibiti aba be ye flag bearer for the NPP party no na ye kan say so amoso kan ye obra na Alan na nado contest musu Alan no na won to le bo na nado wia na Alan aba onya botama na nado ana Alan era sesa avire kudu Alan so a mo pese boys ye maba party mo foforo no e fa kwan bia so ma mu ya lan frim asa bo mi aso ye young na mo ka nya no so nto ne bo na mbre no so ala nko wi a ono so aba de mo kan se mo kan Ghana ha oni ne wa ho ya tibio na afi ya na mo boys mo pese mo ji ade no fi ala nsem sei mo sa se man na nyewe tibi me trabonten na me ko banners posters na me de bobo bonten sei bi man ko fo bi sei bi a eno no mo de disqualify ala na
sir Mike me da seminche tifo
Jesu
na the Yura John Boadu any national chairman at the Ababetu Jano. So Mike, here because party near Shassia rebranding.
Okay.
Because you call 2020 elections in the bar, you know. You a scene to be a party ni toya a ma a victory and anka ye expecting into me and amber. Because now you expect over 1 million votes.
Okay.
But they didn't see half of 1 million year day but near target over 1 million votes.
Okay.
So I say inti say baby adru ye brand party ni in such a way say party ni be ye akono ama eye Ghana for say ye ton ye policies na Ghana for be ye den ebeto inti say ne ye ba be mu 8 months mu ne yakoi ana mebo 8 months mu ne yakoi yesanwo another 3 years da yenim e wo se yedi adwuma inti now no kofa Alan Baumia semba ebema omo lose focus ebema unim say Yura Alan trade minister the vice president so ono so ye fan say vice president ye won crofobia su kra ministerial positions like honorable Akoto Jogate ne crofo omo nyina kra this key positions inti say ye kofa this Alan Baumia Jogate Akoto free ye ne crofo ne ba focus no be free ho na de ye pese ye magana for hoto no ayira it is say brebre amba amani amba yes montren 2023 na sade ne be yedai ebedru so a wa do ala no akwa ala dafa wa do baumia no wakọ baumia fa but say ye shase ntema
na macho ye to abawi ye kwara na ye ministers kwara we are aware say na distance
when ye shase no impedifo ade o manu tum John Boadu akasa wo ho several times but say no ye who say still na no enkrofon ye o madwen say o mu tie sa asem iti ye mfa bibi mra say o ye say ya ye besa hyen party ne de mra na ye adwuma so tia say de ye ma adwuma na ye de ma na do danko Akufo-Addo because say no say ye 2024 no say betumi break the 8 na ejira president Akufo-Addo so but say ye kofa Alan Baumia na president Akufo-Addo abemu bua breaking the 8 na any possible e wukro mazi iti yenyina yenkambom ni yemu adu danko Akufo-Addo otwa ne 3 years na ka ne wie na fide ye shase Alan bese president Akufo-Addo ye adwuma within 4 years and 3 years ya kia breaking the 8 na any possible my the any friends any easy any difficult here because why adwuma na wie ye here say candidate ne be dey ye be project na ma Ghana for so betumi aye dey aye adwuma no but ye koye Alan Baumia say na party no ye ayam na na ye dey ye tu no etimi ne pedifo
wa wo hwa say dem ka kire Alan tobo na botre na nkonwi emre wo nim na omo pese mo pokwan bi su yini free hode Baumia ba are you being fair to Alan
menia obie ni ho a wo yi Alan ama so cha say party ni mpenifo nko jina baby anka say ye de Baumia na ekọ ye de Jogate na ekọ ye de Akoto free na party ni nka wo baby
national youth organizer na bi mo say Baumia support you 100%.
Nana bi ko kasa wen ko kasa asem no we
heard that conversation. I've heard a lot of more party ma even including Ashanti Regional Chairman Wontumi declaring support for Baumia. I've heard this man Ekene Japan Assistant Central Masibejani declaring support for Baumia. One sample for here na mo catch Ghana for say every people mo nya botre na mo ne Alan kasa Alan wo nya botre o ma Akufo-Addo nkonwie na esi ya ase mo asa to Alan to to mo se Baumia
me say obia wo de yede open akwanya ni nduru ho yo say police station for constituency executives, regional executives, national executives. Munyi na amponi yenka ho bibia. But say ni yekoye Alan Baumia. Ye ma bibie di yenim. Na de say yekoso eye sade we ya ye tu amana ma ye ho. It party from penifo hu say yanhwe ye a de ye de beko position no ene ma yendi kan e sending a warning to them. It's warning now, my best. Minia, Obia me to me nim de minim de metanic. She sort of say, also the Alan now, support no. Sort of say,
Basa NPP numu, and I'm also flag bearer there. I support Alan. Based on some Mudi can ye, as I'm aware that that will be
more. I know your differences. Sort of say,
I'm sure Juma Baumia as a vice president. I'm sure Juma Alan Abo as a trade minister.
It's the main and no me metre video so ganjo say me pe Baumia me pe kuto free so ta say yen twen at the right time no 24 say ye die here ansa na ye dey part
and as Nanaje regional communication team of the NPP and I think I facture me go I just have to be rough and no my evangelist evangelist here former parliamentary candidate Edma NDC shares constituency or transit Obakwaba
ya enua
boko de
nyankopon adom ode nkwa amame wonim se ye nyina wiase aye we obi a won time
sure
enti emra no se ade chen na wahu se wo time no enya nso emra no so anyame befro enti ode amame die na e wo se me di aseda ma no na ye beka oman mu nsem.
But then some numbers say minim say be the day because the free central region ba na we say what that. Yeah, but Ibinyam ready won't come up. But Koku only do. Is he the only stubborn person in the NDC? Most more in Obi a special aid to the President Mills. Why deputy secretary for the party are contesting as a general secretary position. Some of our worker. Yeah, the only way no Obama
director of communications.
Director of communications,
presidency.
Yeah, the presidency. One now, so the can say has rule. Master Mikaipa, that man blasters match. I want so much more in the D.
Yo, matter was it. I said, what would be say? I said, no more to. Now, I like your question. Say, is he the only stubborn person in NDC? Certainly not. But stubborn ones now, you bet you mono. Ya de omobefa emra kwan so. Ma main pastor kwan so na memmo wa baso. Woni nsem chironi ana obi a ye wo media no mu a watumi akase wo support Alan.
Oh yeah, when it comes to NPP, I support Alan. But I'm not saying I'm NPP. I explained to that. Say do NDC so. Now when the candidates back, I'll have to look at them and choose one. Okay? So when it comes to NPP, Alan Baumia there, I will choose Alan.
Say my.
But I say most of the Alessa Befia, any John Dramani Mahama ba. Now the baby in Canada. Let you super come.
Say my. 90 wa baso bo kakra me dem a we ne nchiremu bebe. NPP some no me buy na me nua Jesse. Nanaje.
I be my own NPP some say Alan na ko ni do go.
Say me kan dia be si ko die no so. I say
don't go there. I have given you a specific. Who we have about more about Wadano.
Meda say nka me ka friwa be si ko die no. NPP nsam go mu. Afi na eba. Ebi ahya ase wo bete wo ha se. Ade omude be ye ba omia no. Ade omude be ye ba omia no. Say wo so support ala. Mo start wo so ma me nka bia me nka bi. Ni ewo mu ne say NDC eye ekuo. NDC ekuo a ye nhye obi say ombeka ho. Na emom ye ka ye nsempa no. Eto wakoma so a. Wo hwe ye ne ye nhyehyɛ na ye wakono. Over Ghana ye history. NDC contribution to Ghana's democracy na ye wakono a. Ye bia kwan na atoa e dem am. Na emom ni ewo mu ne say ekuo bia wo ne nhyehyɛ. Kumawood mo wa hai enya wonko na wa ha nipa bebre wa ha ye ahwefo ehu omo hihye kire aye ntotoye ema bibia akoso mo won hihye emra wo fie ha I know if not for anything crampo aye mo frɛ men come home but ya be ya busu emra no wo ma me kwan ama me beka bi se me ti ha ya me ka sei na wo hu se manya call na me phone yi ringe kren na me ka say ya mu media tua ma so na me ye hello a me nuade na obeye say ya nya ne saa wa ha ya nya ne saa tiamra enti ekuo bia wo mra MPP wo mra CPP wo mra even aparu ne party ne friend say so me wa ha so
LPG
gas
Liberal Party of
Ghana. Okay. LPG ya ebu no fie.
Liberal Party of Ghana.
Ono krampo no owon hyehyeye. Akua donko mra bi wo de ne ba ha. Ne party no owon hyehyeye wo.
Ghana Freedom Party.
Wo se mra bi omunya omo chairman ya jeka ya ye we ye party bia won hyehyeye. NDC hyehyeye no aya ade a emra na me wo MPP mu. Na me support President Kofo na me ye very proud I did. Na drum pempen so omo call prime minister omo ye Alan kwan ya omo de ye na so mbobi afoko ne sa de nyina wole go no
kache no be mu no
afoko ye bo wo hwe be ma 10 gram na MPP ye tumi bo afoko asum na chese omo ye omo adwen I'm not surprised afoko be ye chairman a omo ama na ndi chairman no ni nyina ye MPP mu o na almost wo hyehyɛ maybe saa na omo ye omade wo MPP mu na do be ye leader no for me hu mi su ne me ban say me ntumi enne MPP for nkobium na emo me hwɛ atamels ne NDC hyehyɛ ene omo mmra no metumi adi so metumi eye makono eye mefe metumi de me ho adom omo NDC nya nhwehwemu ya nyese wo kasa wo kasa foforo ye we di ofri ha we ye we ni NDC entesa eno na ma NDC ya makono na mom ehihye wo ho me kasa samano kopa ya won ekwaya de mbefa so ebi ne sen sameka bibi na etia NDC party na egu mpanyifo enwan animasia ya beton sa freme I was so be to me report to me. Okay. Ya report to me we are beton sa frame. Na mpanyifo de case na to many say me ka say me manoko pa ye beka video no ana ye be frame say momfa video ne mra. Obi say wo kan say etia panyin ka we etia party ne mra. Na ye dia to manim. Dia na wo ka wo ho. Na me nso say me wonu ho a masira say we dia ma no ne pa ye mpanyifo badwane atoa me sira mo. E bia ye betumi aka say me dwumadi a medi no memfa nto na nsa na wotwe ena ya to aba wie a me ba TV so metumi aka say boso mienu wasotwe ne say enko TV ana radio so nkasa ma party no wonso wasotwe no after 2 months no na se ye hwe na usune oban na sesa ye betumi ama okwan na wasa nso aye party adwuma
do this na ye na konye dogo
me this no koku aye no ma bebre ebi ne sen one kasa okaye emre bi I'm not saying say ye no potting emo me twe ahwefo emre bi at Amos time no ye communication director and now at Amos say 2 coin na Black Stars say bobo light call off kokufa phone radio so ECG manager di as what 2 minutes away the old man is not happy I in Sembebre and no enkodanchen ye hu say John Dramani Mahama bae no me hu se owoya odie bi ewonumu etia John Mahama ne etia me gina so akasa ane se na me ye nhia so vice chairman mre bi ye bon to a time o ka se obe one general bepre no ehonu mpo no ono na de beto abonte se general se onko bi wa bra na general nka hwe nchen eno na ba no ne nsem kaye ni ochoro baby obenjina bia no ma ne kwan bia semo oka no most especially enye enmonyam hye emma party ni nyina to me cassette ya ye former flag bearer
ya na enye no kre say onamwa no do eastern corridor odu baby no say ekwan ni pa wana ma ban wo so pa na kwan fun pa nam nan so na ne kwan ya ese ma mentwa to social media na me mo aban wa ya ase ya no kre
ensam a ye de ko mpanyifo anim se yen hwe na asem ne nka no enye eno ne de waken ye okay de so then ye ka bomo misconduct and anti-party behavior party no won hyehyeye even say one who ade ya ye wo se ne esi ka no memeti hai free SHS buy matumi aka say it was a bold decision and anado even though Mahama Esha Asia in a certain light nanado ne beka bom it was good ebinuma a benefited but eneno who issues wo so who say ne esi ka no enti koku aye normal bebre ma memma typical example na me lande ye report koku ma NDC mpanyifo no ye to nsafre no koku anko
ezomuade
eniamo ben ene chai saade ewi yefan se koku nyehwe ane ya report no ana mpanyifo titre NDC professors lawyers ato nsafre o brampo fani die ma mpanyine na wankwa enumpo no ehu hia se mekasa kwa achi sabi wumma mrantie no se wo ba kuma na bekasa panyine na ye ni bibi na wo frɛ panyine no na wamma die nkwan na wo de ne befa so I know you are a good parent
dey dey kwaku onko kra
nti ahyase no ye suspended no from 8 February mpanyifo ayi attempt bebre edrumre bi ye twro kra tampo de masomafo okoi wanje eniamo ho ben na chai saade ewi se yantwe na so a ekira bi meka se o party we dey emfa mranye obi wo ho enam umra umfanye adwuma obefri party no obi nso a omfri mu obefa sa akwan no so mpo aye EV more nti for sanity to prevail ye yinadi se PP pair se ala na bebo se baomio they can have him as their running mate
but say in future bia na se bia na adwene sa na behavior sa na sa ba so o san ba bi wu a mo ba gi no
oh yeah
akonya wo ho
party adwuma ye ni padodo na ye de ye se wo se wonu hu wasakra oba nhyehye enso da ho a obefa so
ba start from class 1
yes
Gama mi we frewa
unyi
ka kwaku de ni
atubiga ka ho Alute Jacobs
o munyina ye yi o
live TV you try honya ba for ka ma ba ye pocket coast central region na yakudin komo ya ba yesia
animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akon
obi o ho amene wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra
adwuma memene da kwesi da edwo da ebanada okuoda yawada efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne timi mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matramadol wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom o sa glue an kasa nkra no o sa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina sa ba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be hu na say ebeye mremremre wo ba nyim easily
piao so ho adwuru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena osuko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo ene mo ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao
and ya rawo do ben and agi ni padua no aboso ya rebi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo me kanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amao Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ne titiw ede ma emma wonum a won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wonum Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso a ye de aba adwaman so a ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yaro ahodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne yewo Madam Katri clinic yare nyina last stop
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agi atum se eye
well our pia you say say free mu why the den it be slower we na fa kokko we film na say dia wa woni tua wo fa say no mo ye den ma me ti we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye diguma na ma me why slower
ke busa yenko no Kumase
ah mun ko Kumase
Martin Luther
oh na it's been a long time oh yeah
me say Minia, obra kwantu ya wo. Semina na ma ya nka twene ni ahwedan yo. Na bisu ya pani asoma me. Semina me pada ka. O Kumase akamara. Na me say ya chini. Ye nya da kai.
Yeah, Nansani.
Na mo na mo that's why. Mo shia me dey we need problem fra. Who be dey say me free Dubai betu Ghana. Ana me na na confident. Woto na na mo ansia do. Me je yi ni for me so. E wa brede mi ni kapre. Odu obi na kire me Ghostway casket shop. Ah e wo Kumase labor hire. Me call ho no ma. Ana mo sa na me yes kan hye ye o. Wo de bi ntwa no. Misika ye di ma me se me papa no. Iswa afensu ye se me ambulance. Na me sam pe de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ye ambulance service into ni problem kra ani na ye here ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say Kumase stay by plan no ye kodam ko tira o some Ghostway casket shop here ye wona ka me bere te se de mu hu na Ghostway casket shop ye wo Kumase in front of New Town ye di labor office na ben Ghostway casket shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Say there, yasan at the baby for frokra. Ena eba, yasuansa no juma bebre. Na de yadi bayi de, eya duchum, yanyen wo baby ada. Wey, eya for frokra. Ah. Ike 1 any Kumawood TV akaboma ye de ebreo eya sonko kwanso kra ye be kire wo niam bi te se invisible biofield digester eno no ye nto blog bia ye no form hosa enti uba unhu se ye bibi te se o flash ya na ahye unhu nanso o flash ya na ahye eno ane efre no invisible biofield digester wey onsuan wo ba bia bra na ye nkire e wo Kumawood Training Institute afei so ye ba ye bibi ti say Milo making eye Milo a ye de ye tin e de ye mpampa e de ye niam wo fi anopa no bra ne kire se na esi ye Milo eno no wo betimi aye akoton anya sika afri mu afei so se ne ye si e de soya beans eye nido bra ne ye nkire se na esi eye no emani meme mu amaso aware anase wo ne odofo biti ho na o libido no ekofom bra ne nkire libido drink drink a wankasa wobɛyɛ no wɔ ofie na ama wo atenka ɛwɔ mpam we die ɛma ne mɛma ɛyɛ asɛm de pa bra ne nkyerɛ wo kama pa infertility drink ɛno nso ɛma na muntimi nwo ana mɛma na wotu kosua nso muntimi nwo no bra yɛ kyerɛ wo natural drink a wobɛnom na ama wotimi a wo ba ɛnsamude we die yɛnti bi da Kumawood Training Institute wase bra niamfa dakopɛ enkyerɛ wo saa niam we nyina afei so yenuanom ma ne mema mu yusu aye liquid soap ane shower gel wo fie no momra ye bɛkyerɛ mo sɛ ne esiye no pa liquid soap na shower gel we nyina no wo betimi aye akoton ayusu bi wo fie ama onya sika bebre afei so car tracking device installation we enso ya ade a aye bibikito bia wo de bɔ kam ye kyerɛ wo sɛ ne a esi de bɔ kam ana moto so sɛ ne bɛya a obi bi pa bia woni di akyire pa no entimi nyira emfiri wonsam brane enkyerɛ wo sɛ ne esiye no saa niema mako enkuno ene de keke ka ho bonus nyina ka ho ye kyerɛw ne agye sika ketwa bi eye 300 Ghana cedis pe eye kane sika 3 million no me pa chow mensene ebi ma obia fa wade ekuta uba bedru ya no oba abeya registration eye Saturday 14th August mo ne da etoso edunan afiye mo ena ye sa dwumade wo ye oba wo ye bema wo ye panyini wo ye akora obi bia betimi aba abesua bi eno ntifa number na ada screen so no na wo de frɛ yɛn na yɛntwere wo din kɛkɛ na yɛfa register emfa mount ɛyɛ 0244294066 0244294066 0244294066 mipacho frɛ na yɛn register emfa mount afei so numbers a egu screen so nyinaa no obetimi afa na wo ne yɛn akasa ɔse Kumawood Training Institute ensano juma ahemfie bɛyɛ butu
Oti animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebi no be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akon
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra
adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no iso nsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afa ne kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afa na ne timi mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so wo ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina sa ba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kyerɛ wo kwan no wo be hu no say ebeye mremremre okay wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu eno sukọ na ohaw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kachi kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kwawu atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
ɛnyɛro ahodoɔ bɛn ɛna agye nipadua no abɔ so yɛareɛ bi te sɛ ɛniyareɛ akomayareɛ wadumu ato wontimi ndidi ɔbaa ne barima a wontimi nwoɔ mekamfo tahrid naturopathic clinic adodoɔ na ɛfrɛ yɛn madam katri clinic de ama wo madam katri clinic ɛnam homeopathy naturopathy so betu yareɛ nyinaa ɛfiri hɔ yɛne kɔfa baa yɛde madam katri tonic ɛbɛ adwaman so ɛboa siesie nipadua no ne titiw ɛde ma ɛmmaa wɔnom a wɔn fikyikɔ nsisi so yie sa wɔnom madam katri tonic a ɛboa ɛma wo nipadua no ɛnyini yie na aboa ma wo fikyikɔ nso ayɛ kama yɛwɔ mfidie wa waso a yɛde ɛbɛ adwaman so a yɛde hwehwɛ nipadua ne mu ɛyi yarewa ahodoɔ ahintani nyinaa ɛdi katri clinic ɛwɔ Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne yɛwɔ madam katri clinic yareɛ nyinaa last stop
FD yahwehwɛ sɛ dwadi ka to yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ
well awon pia obusia yɛ sɛ yɛfiri mu mo ayɛ den nti meslewa
right awusia yɛsan ɛma moakwaba ogoso Sinopi live on Kumao TV wagente fabra na enyamre enkenkan emfama numbers no ɛna egu screen ase no yɛdi nkɔmɔ yɛayɛ kɔkɔ ni the whole NDC for apam no ɛde free party no sɛ ne suban bi a ɔda ɛde party no nyɛ nti onko saa nso ne yɛdi nkɔmɔ on the NPP directives code of conduct the aba ɛde ama all aspiring hopeful candidates for the party being national executive being regional executive or the presidential candidates the anonso Hong Kong for the bra well ever talk about kaya somewhere October and best to just say one Joe Jache question now all standing in for the NDC our Senate of constituency Ubia say ukuta dual citizenship that's a Canadian citizen and our Sanya Ganani na Basa so Amrano Makwan say with Minamian Twaba a man no man must be doing Papai Ekujinai Fali Dia Miaton Swaba Mambekaya on the January 7th Nanyagro Parliament delay in a month to see Horne Adina no no so can be pa if said now the clerk of parliament I can say when Yakra Tebi at the Cape Coast High Court restraining the parliament so member Papano was sworn in as a member of parliament for Ascent North constituency but then this for I argue ya you know na I was say Makwai Emma Honorable Joe Question it me swear in na utimi etwaba Emma e speaker what wabalibi Emma it me e speaker me ni oyemasibi joni ewo Ghana's parliament na samno guso ewo Cape Coast High Court ene ruling naba ruling the ba yina no a ka twede yina na se papa no odimi ewo do self as a member of parliament ewo Ascent North constituency view nti if you continue time ema onko parliament view ema obi anso no on member of parliament view na yensan ko to one of for ekoba ne say ya na say NDC numbers are omo e mase bedwam no eso ate baako this now parliament no enye hand parliament view majority no MPP for there and a minority NDC until e go by election ya ko hunu die ABC ahon komo and the trans enyamre na ye die ye be kwa homa so e bi ro constituency ho na afi ye ne constituency executives no NDC na MPP for no e bi so what we dey komo ahwe how are omo receive this message well ma me chance ye wo say mo na ma ban I was one sorry mo na mo candidate I was so and we yes evangelist me chance ye wo the issue of decision abay
you medasi enye wano na fomu ye eye nkom na wahye NDC is the government in waiting ye betumi aka yaka ye ne wini but bibi nti easy say na nadu ne wini nti enye mfomso na wo ye efa no eye Ascent North asema esi enye asem foforo ye koto aba no mu ena omo sha ase Canada Japan krampo ebe kan bibi se so wini a obedi bosumie no pe ɛwɔ parliament ne adeɛ records are there no kura wo mene sɛ me wɔ vacation watena Canada man na emre bi atwam na okura mo krata e kire se o Canada ni but emre so ya na oba fie no oye na dwen se obetumi aboa ne man no ne mantam no na kwan ya obefa so ne se obekọ parliament na obeba NDC afa process no nyina odinounce ne citizenship sani amra no esitie na obi bebisa se oye ya eye den na enne aba ne sei de akoye ne se ye wo enhihye a ye didi nounce awo se wo twro e de ma saa ban no na oye ne saa pepepe ye nyina enim covid ba ye no e ma certificate e wo se ye de ma no final way no e delay ye Canada ban krampo pa chew but samre no na wadi nounce awie a yisifo no eje krata kire se watro amomu a wadi nounce eno ntina otumi go through the process no but that time no ma court MPP shall see e court say unqualified after year to abani wie to the point say even 7th January no mo yes on be 7 no yen fa no enka MP say yes so any nyina from the court o mo de krata akodi clerk of the parliament house and some ama da na dwuna ye amache ye to abano speaker abano o mu rezi ma ne ba ho ama ye kire mu chense nya sa kwan no so ene ye fa
na mo se mo nsanya nka court restraint order ni bi
good
intino nya de se
good I was say nipa assemnitia no wo de krata no ma no na sa wo fa krata bia ma me ase de untumi yin firim eno na akosoa na enne akoba ne se pe emra no according to court no or yes so be the judgment in the bebe and this called Supreme Court I say say yam fakrata bi mbra omo yen ya no pay ya ba ye no 8 o'clock ye drew on ni register ni ho no watum ni ade all this eye normal bia amanfo bi ade mra no eye but at the end of the day the court say yento abana foforo NDC manyanente say minority in parliament led by a leader Honorable Haruna Idrisu I send it a press conference say yebe court higher court near higher court we will take it further Supreme Court cry yebe court akosiki redress emra no ma ye ho kwan na emom from eneko no enoma bia na NDC and the MPP in parliament ye tenase that cordiality and the compromises be NDC in the interest of Ghana send a binumo kano ye omo nya sa cooperation no
adentia
so omo afa sa kwan we so short ye
omo na afa kwan so court of competent jurisdiction
one na the court
MPP na the court
good
and no ntine say me no wa asanam the court na me town
the one
papa ye mra Ghana mra na kire sen so we Ghana ni yes and I would be na say we be good do mo hu say onye Ghana ni at the time one na of elections no court and I also decided so Ghana ni na onye Ghana ni and before the former parliament into that so and a court as say papa no kura said ye kan na we be now say why do you blame
are you speaking for the court do you have the court judgment court to say no denounce it
no
the process was not complete.
So if the process was not complete, what are
so you can't say court to say no denounce it. Then it means you are speaking for the court.
It's just the court person saying.
Near akofa o question ya bai. Enye the court to say yankoto abani biu. Good. Oman mu ha ye wo bi a ye betumi dia cite as example Adamu Sakande. No denounce ye. Inti etiamra ye de ne kotu mu nyame fa ne kranse wo afiri mu. Anu ayemra no the same umrana and the see no foforo because not say onye Ghana ni but not process no MBA pay we will accept that for now but you won't quite say you be taken up ya kofa ba ne say Haruna say minority ni MPP for non cooperative and non we have a right. Say no tin your parliament. Obi oko ebia gina homa nipa kuobi nipa dombi enti dia sa nipa ne peno and on be yama ni esusu say MPP benyante ase bi but o matumi a eyi we na film only for some days for now for some days ye bedi court emra no so ye befa mra so aye bibia even the worst case scenario say koba ne say ento abana ye bekwa akoto aban but makana mesaka biom ye si ayawa so no NDC epulu out me catch NDC mpanyifo this time and say ebi kosi MPP mpanyifo easy nhihye no be and say moja nipa 3 wi kura teto ewo ase no fo ye bedi mra so ye de mra be ya dwuma na seat ne de nyame ya dwuma NDC dia is only days bi na ye me ya say ye de aye nkrofo bi wo voter region sa lolobi agbafu sa area no and next nkrofo no mu ni MPO omo ya Ghana for nobody is speaking for them ya sat now my MPP for sanso the mra the court ako deny I say no it is only for some days abano ye koba ne say ye beto say Supreme Court ka say onko so nya na adwuma na ye bedi so but this is the beneficence say enya ebi enya no ho de beneficence say basi ye koba election and this mon kan no say beneficence o pekura mpo a ye mfa no nye the authority say ono na Ghana ye di ye reaction mu o ka say say Mike no ye president and say ye kasa kodi president o ka say we are I respect his job o ye semtronia no amejowo sa pool ni ade wa che na dwen but he has gotten it wrong so many times o ye nipa this one I can tell him he just want to be heard. When was the last time you heard of Benepsin?
We end this ni brana quiz na ejina na osu jina bisa
ye nyina ye
nyina mu jina
yes
for information awo as a candidate of the for the NDC in 2020 general elections no papa no na mo ye sure say e bibia ye deni amre bia na osu disu bia no odi so
party aye hwemu eno na machire mu aka no me haidi bibia ubisa panyini bia ye maka no sa na tie he was not a Canadian no was starting process no Canada ban krampo ebe sire say eye COVID in sem na ma we na I was here the man no delay easy party ye ni hwehwemu easy so ama na declarance unless say you are telling me say easy na anya na dwuma ye that way say
ye Ghana hama easy ebitnya ma clearance no but I say ye hu sem mara no so ubu so na easy so bu so a that does not mean say easy ama kwanta contest ntino oni ni na egbo mara no so e ma nko sa
na che say you are indicting the easy say omutumi yam from so
why not
say me for so a eno ntina na ye ti hey for the first time ye to about 2020 results in sia wo bi sa menua MPP ni ne say dia figure na do di wini ya I don't know which of the 6 obey enti me go, I went through the process and yes simple sao so be to me ko gina se yento no so aba e wo Ghana ha masa e wo se salute no enkrata wo hia enoma wo hia se wo koje aban mu ni ade tax ni ade wo to me gina ni e to so aba na che se wa fa bibia mu and sa pepepe and a course so ascend no for the EC they will tell you opa from so mo ye omo bibia but hey court no e wo to me e wo sa bodies ni nya na o maka omo se yensa nkoto no foforo entwetwe waso e wo bibi mu se wo de adamu de ne ba mu a adenti na yamfa na nkoto
o sa afi na court no ahye say well of a dubious means e sa de beka no
when one na beka na say use the right words
okay
even in the judgment
okay so the court has declared the election as not and void.
Null and void
meaning say he wasn't fit to contest for the elections based on the issue of NDC they call everybody call court he wasn't fit to contest the election after said we na bano and even when say the next action ebia against the
Mike,
member of parliament.
No win. Sir Mike, Sadet here. No win MPP. Senti omunim pa say ni case no near the mudia ni the same. Nka ususu say sa normal for omo de call here no. And only say and they nkoto aba no foforo. Even MPP and happy. This is not what they were looking for. My say MPP communicators ni bi ka say ni odi second no. Nka court nka say ono na ewi ni.
Say the court ntimi answer. Well, I was able to do come on. Mama made a picture of the honorable member and they say a man who holding himself as an honorable member of parliament, Mfama Asin of Honorable Joe is it Jache or Jake? Jache Christian. Ni Moka picture into Smame na Menko Nana.
Sir Mike.
The number per second.
Sir Mike. Enche phobia. Una baby. Na evangelist kasa na miti hodin na miti.
Noble man. Ona na phone ni was no. Very nice and handsome. Sorry. Noble man.
Na evangelist kasa no na miti ni din. Na adwea ba mitrim ne se. Enka ya yese. Enkrofo we no NDC fo no. Omo ya ye lawless party. Church say omo ya ye say omo no omo famra they speak with emotions but court one no yenko ka emotions oh church say I am ran ye den ye koka ho article 94 clause is it one o say a no oka say me o say answer na obi baba ye na hye bedwani no e wo say we are citizen of this country. Now at the age of 21 years. Emra on file sadie no. Abeye MP no. Samre no. Na wodi na say a person ne nkrata say oba beye Ghana na.
It was in the process. Now the argument has been that time obeying o file and I say the year to aba no.
Emra na kire say answer na.
Okay. My uncle has sent off. Okay, Mr. Yeah, no.
I say answer na. Ebeba utrim mpo. Say uba be prem na sebe jakunya no. I was so ye Ghana ni. Samre na papa ne ba be ye no. Na ukra citizenship e friends and crack am you know dual citizen. Or Canadian and or Ghana. So to say, Emra na su chiasa. I say answer na. Tieni you. Answer na ebeba utrim mpo say.
Mamenko Ahumana Sumra, Mamenko sent north na yene NPP constituency organizer Opinko man. Abane udine sana je. Constituency youth organizer. Embaja udi pa wa mede ba wa den.
Political secretary,
Opinko. Okay. Opinko, I send off Sabreya information about say Yankoya by election of constituency. No, can say feeling it to say I was send off.
You know, I'm very kind of you from the community with my father, Obama, or my Ghana. It would be a good name at our share that taxi. I must say, I send off for me, entity for it to the food nanny, national, but I can do no better in India. I send off one senator and yeah, a connection of the Russian city. Now, before election, I was a very similar, I say, Papana, original, or you are your Christian, no, in Catano, Mushima, who research our what you say, no matter how you it's a correlation, we lost. You listen about the money back, the funds are coming in front.
Yeah.
Or the say, the good quarter. So I think we should be and then I believe tomorrow come out. Just can you keep him or keep us out what say? We should money document good and the money officer or qualify say, okay, NPT, we try to say no election now and void. That's what I feel.
Yeah.
About the Sana, definitely, the local commission organizing by elections. There as possible, as quickly as possible, also from now to a week, the national point of particular, yes, I am from one, they will say, the Tommy, I see that they are able to. So, you just get to the system now, we are ready.
constituency war, and as someone has Cape Coast.
Okay, for now, we are in the constituency.
Send a mood no tear or amount for information as a news no. How have they received the news in the constituency?
I am funny a family one. I think I said you're supposed to go. Now, it was hard to focus. Now, for the question, hard to focus on but you don't see.
Yeah.
Now, I have to go into and see about the farmer. The sympathizers of that man and the party of every single. You better decide. I am sorry to say for now, we are going to say. But
money I J with a ruling about here and the NPP for party members are more as enough. More okay.
Yeah, we know and the politics here. What election we will see will be and we say the document to call in here. We are the corner. Upon the family say, then a political shop say, yes, I should go to happen. We are putting an opportunity. I want to say, I know the ship here. We are going to tell to say you want to because we are waiting, we are going to talk about the roof eventually at the city about. But
I think one way I am secure court, Nesan Kabayanka court, no, and Shasanka, the second person, the former member of parliament, I would think Kuguro. So now a former member of parliament. But everybody knows about Abdul sana ka mo he ni musa ka court mbaka se bi kwa na ka bana enko se de be ya se we de we ko trefi na ka bana enko ananya sana mo he
no I know that we also got a problem on the level of man to be put to work on elections especially parliamentary elections now if so we will so na we are not say yeah what I say for the elections sabi we you know they are going to police station it's we are winning legislation the document you know let's put us in one for the day of the election he won that's what I hear
yeah it's okay pa
you want to know with the law how you young it you decide to with the economy I want to be automatically about the farm to declare about the winner but when you need we are going to win legislation that's what
okay. And by election, no, who say, move to be as a party.
I wish to be by elections over the years or previous year. I would say, first of all, any of the political parties, NPC, and now holding in membership, some of new seats, Ocean Youth of Parliament, I would say, the seat is more parliamentary than any other time. And it is better to do so with the seat. If you have another rapport, I would say, government of the day,
but I think that jubilation will not be done yet, will not be complete yet because the NDC the NDC say Supreme Court. Inti Muntimi jubilate kwa by election. Because say the High Court of Cape Coast ruling on the Abano. Omun say 2 million out of the ruling Babantino. They are proceeding to Supreme Court. Inti by election kwa base amako na he kwa na nyama so.
We are for now the High Court, the highest court in the region, the highest court, and it's Supreme Court of now there's Cape Coast High Court. Yes, the community say official election and not avoid which is on half the stance now. Whether they go to Supreme Court or not, half the stance now, but the top of democracy, they will say after the Sunday there's going to be election. Remember, first of all, the time of this court, we actually say, you know, panel, jurisdiction. Emma, I think court in the
yeah.
And go to High Court, so Supreme Court, we say, we should do their homework well, take them out. So I think the judge went on and gave his verdict. We don't know what will happen, but these are all legal strategies. He will say, strategically, they will not sit down. They are not sitting down. And so they say, you say, I'm not going to say, who is talking about I'm not going to say, we will reach our party. Let's hope.
Okay.
When you say Supreme Court, nothing will change. Because I'm right there, if it's clear. If it's clear, I'm right there,
right, Obingo, Yanasi, na we have a customer Mutrinkwa. Is a man of Madinkunim. Right. That's right. Ascent North NPP Youth Organizer, Opinko man, and I'm not telling you. You know, big to Nabana. I said, Evangelist Mumuna, and the Najimo so anything a crap. They want to buy less than they will go all out to ensure, say, hang Parliament no in CBU. Well, Nana, one who got some so.
Sir Mike, they're not made to say, a man say about him, some maybe contest here. I was at that moment, no, I was so young any. And I call court to issue. Actually, I said, some men are over contesting. No, you're gone any pure.
Was it any for a Canada for a party?
And you look clear. Such as and you look clear. Only the document in Chile.
The process was not complete.
They were even
the American TMA.
I say the process was not complete. Although he won the election genuinely, but the process was not complete. Yes, because so when the process is not complete.
It is summer now you got any. It's your name, yes, say, Bebe Bitna. Nayam Concoyan Fufra, Mumunia Mutsukum. And then you know the lives of Samijan Fee, Yenya Pablo, Samijan Fee lawyer, Yenya Pablo, Yenya Fuswapafo, Chairman, Yenya Sancro when you know Casse, and then the court on the year, you know, you good democracy, and you say, ow. Say, Emrana, yes, Mukina, yes, testing the waters. I'm a Ghana for who say, Empire or Mero Provano. After then, the Musi, yes, and Gumaran any massy. Say, assembly on Person Catcher Ghana. Assembly by 7th January, you catch them say, courts at the Abbasem, ye may sweat this papa in. What's it done? Namu you super tapa. And a penfobu baby say, Patapa, you too. You're the Dana row, you're the Marana row, and then the Marana row you to know. Such as it, and no, you know, I am on MPP, and Tenassi and Numsu, a fence, as some Jacap, and no, you catch them on there. Sit in the night at you, and I move every year, Oh, share a year of more trend in 2020 now. President Akufo the Dinkunimo, only 16,000 and over. You're 15,000. Oh, share parliamentary news, difference is less than 3,000.
My main couldn't come off. Manasubiumra, Mene, me a penny, Madi Naja, don't find me. Like Canada for our Manaso. My Atelian car, Emajo. I like Atelian car. Like Atelian car. I don't know my home for there. Yamiadum, fetch me, and no, I'm a see, fetch me. Sorry, I tell me there. Hello. Let's not tell me there. Mr. Fatcham, sorry, I tell me. Noise, which you know, Fatche. Come on, the SU are saying North constituency in the central region. And they court say, Ura Joe Christian, a member of parliament, no, a man who wouldn't serve as member of parliament view, young by election. We have the name. Everybody say, yeah. Not actually saying.
But man, too loud.
Good.
But too loud.
Everybody say, yeah. Not actually saying, a dear now, I was say.
Okay. Yes. Okay. But a child, let me tell you for you. Everybody say, actually saying, means that automatically, that seat is vacant.
Okay.
Now, and say, I had 2020 election. The electoral commission gave nominations. Obia, also contest the which means for nominations.
Yeah.
Now, Okosu member of parliament if he owes allegiance to a country other than Ghana. See, the key word here, qualified. Now, I'm very nicely determined, sir. We are qualified. I have to let them say. Okay. They are saying that I think no. MP.
Yeah.
The nation is consumed 9th October.
Yeah.
Now, at the time of the nation consumed, that's more foreign nomination. Now, we are right now, so the citizen. The United States are a citizen for Canada. Now, question is, if you say much of a banana, December 7th. We are granting of the renunciation of the citizenship. We have a very announced or one percent the passport now that the citizen in the or bidding. Tama, the coin we will not for some bidding. Now, so Tama, the call. Tama, sorry, yes, a trouble. Now, over the German, I'm a tracker, with the back, the passport, and the jet passport. You go on the outside, Jeffrey. It given me to say, because of being qualified to contest as a member of parliament. Yeah, should have time on the nomination inquiry. And that's a time we are sort of sober.
Okay.
And then I two contentions. We say, time we are sort of sober. And then so I qualified. We will cut a noon, time my little form of inquiry. At that time, I'm for inquiry. You must be qualified.
Okay.
If you're not caught in the room, Abba, the really another judgment of the Abba. And the kid you want to say, time my father with nomination. You must be qualified. Meaning, say, time my father were you. You should not owe any allegiance to any other country. Meaning, say, you should have only one Ghanaian passport and not Ghana citizenship. If you have only one, we will never buy them. In team of room today. Tama, and the building form the coin.
Monsai Empele Mame, now Musan got an argument now, and they say, Nama Shas you, my trade the cock, but now maybe a COVID, Nene Nema Macuminutino. Name Sanyanka, the Fana approval, but upon my letterhead, and I'm a trade. Now, they also not to say before the October 9th, no, now me the cock. That is the argument. The honorable member, no, Emiki, the lawyer, Bibusan. Say, major idea, medical trade, they cover on the bare 10th, then 28th. Okay, lawyer, what's about that rumor? What argument the parents were? Honorable member, they say before October 9th, no, now I check out the Pakoma Canadian government, but now response and not in your mind. In the end, I say, once I know the catcher cut idea quality. Now, what did I also that?
I don't know what can a legal person. Personal attitude. For sure, Abano. Yeah, Canadian Abano. Not all 2 weeks, only 2 years. Well, we got to your to the room, and we are to me.
Okay.
It is a factor of so called perceiving. Doesn't make you so now soon.
Okay.
It's a decision, you won't make a decision. Answer.
Oh, okay.
Now, Osha, Kotu Kasa, or you empty now, Kata. On one the certain weeks, by it should say on 6th of November 2020. The citizen said no 8 years on 26th of November, sorry, 26th November 2020, and the citizen says for 8 years. And it means that at that time, or apply again. Not as a Canadian citizen.
Okay. The one I say no, say Supreme Court be mo I say otumi kire mu ye ma ehunu say ebra ban pa and a man can want me. Because this is over the Supreme Court.
Hello?
Well, I'm because this is over the Supreme Court for the interpretation.
Oh yes. Yes, you see, a book some local Supreme Court. Yeah, because they need to pay. Is a lot of
Rollins, okay.
We didn't call court. We didn't come on NDC internal primaries. We didn't call court to say on your voter. Now, that is the good court. No, my court no refer interpretation. No, and my Supreme Court say. Only interpreting my say can man to be a voter. When they qualified to contest. If you call Supreme Court and say you become a voter when the electoral commission opens the nomination.
Okay.
So, if you look at the moment, electoral commission now open
nominations no.
Nominations no. It doesn't matter whether you are a voter or not. But you will get that at that time, no. And one year. A voter, it becomes relevant or necessary. The same way, that is a very similar to a law. If they were to be in the question would be at what time can your allegiance become a key. It is at the time the electoral commission opens or at the time that we are coming to vote. It is very interesting. But maybe the should be if you in the NATO Rollins media, and you want to have the time the electoral commission open, and the year details and you must be not a citizen of another country. If the part of the court agrees there, they mean say this time or filing in the application no one qualify. But it will be good and interesting. So Supreme Court, the court to Subeka.
Yeah. Right. Now, it's where we say, Kobana said, the engineer. I should be a woman on her. Now, it was a Kobasa said, the engineer. I should be a member of parliament now, and said, not unqualified, no, a man about what I will do this thing.
If you to pay, so that's a non qualified. Now, when on qualifier. Also, you must charging with a criminal offense. I know we are no. You must charging with a criminal offense. He can potentially go to prison. There was another one. So,
yeah. Secondly. We're free to cry.
And the moon secondly.
Well, you're not loyalty. Sanchez or so Kabana said, if all things being equal, dear Koyana Ekodia. You go so do come by less about so na another cow, na by lessons by Basu Moyams here, and Yako. We should be a better more than the name the cup a year tournament.
You for Champions League. But Chelsea. So it is a mic. Na me kano. E ka kire say.
Na do no crazy you.
Na me after na me me jumedi. So tell say.
Na ya fanye na ntie as another criminal aspect no so baba. Yeah.
Yes, our criminal charges or
yeah.
If they are very you know. So no qualifier. Potentially, which one could be in the day? One, the chemical, when he was not qualified. I don't know, potentially, he can be fined.
Okay.
Or he can be imprisoned. Now we have the most accountable here in the only admit to Mukra.
2 years.
It's only one, a serious, Sebate, charging with a criminal offense, likely to have a Amanapo prison.
Okay. Well, na say na member office na a chop bi o Hamid aba na afi etwatwa era sepa lawyer Kwame Adolfo Dominion Chambers kuma ase na hotel nka no nti said e koyi de ade na hebienu Supreme Court e be chief man na si for me
sir Mike the lawyer say wama efun ne ne ebie ama yenuanom yi atiase watiase tie nyina na obo ne trinko so watiase de lawyer kan ne nyina no me nko hobiem na sir Mike de chene say evangelist ka se mi ma ne ho ye mewa se ayeko by election na NDC fo hu se ye nkonko ye aye waso Westwogo ndie ne hwan ye bisa ne se aye waso Westwogo samre no nan omfo san ko share friends and this mreya ye de buy for vigilante ni adade na mo fo san ko share se ye de ensapo ko share no ye nya sofo zo ka free the northern region ba aye waso Westwogo and then the boys eba say come be create friends me aye waso Westwogo but ye catch the wo o man penin no te so no oye asundwe hime enya dia woko kase by election kosutini ye kwa kukum nipa wo ho but ye kan kire ndisi fo se omo pata pa na omo ye wo krom ha on the 7th January 2021 ni nyina mu no o se ne eye mra ayede arosa pata pa bi eto no iti ye ka kire wo na sit na ye ndie na ye nyema bi anhyehyɛ nwie ene ma ayede efri yensa sit na ye kɔ ho akwakoje yenyina no ye de ho ko gym e wasen central is it no yes ye kwakwa ko kachire omanfo ne se ye nyema bi na anye yie ene ma ne ba ne sa adwebelo omonfa to me ne maye se ne omanpani asase a oye nioma yie wo kroma no na yenye asen no yie na we mu die ye de omachi a omomoa ye ze ba economy ni ke ba sopa
Faje Sabra, ya enkenka enfa ema minim se ya opon WhatsApp phone ho dia but o dia message ni bra na enkenka from WhatsApp and voice note fabra na best na good screen ase no mo dia na fabra na enyamre enkenka enfa se da fama la Mohammed Spiritual Herbal Center o se eye money problem sika ho na aye dia ma all types of sickness yare bia protection bambo richness so person wunya yi sika diye we juma kware o sebra witchcraft all kinds of spiritual problems mu wa how bia no malam sebra na wontimi mu na mu wo say madness dam and I feel impotent we be ma ho sorry so kwa ndimi fa e ba ma ha de pa ope bambo bia so sebra na wontimi wa court case no nya unso betimi adibem we ndisi fo bo mo de pa ko malam okay say we nko no malam so betimi adibem and ibo gu so dia ba be di for dia nko we won so be di dem pa na ye discover gu so dia bra na ontimi emo ko TBS ka for amantem Eastern region and malam ewo 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 goes we say when ye open for daka ambulance video coverage open canopies chairs and have a sound system and your program bi anu a omo dia na be na kache ka se no kuma se asafo liberal about the akono mu so woni ska kwa no a be ma wie yi no na program na discuss no abato bi ko fa no goes we e kuma se asafo labor 0243737457 0243737457 our travel logistics say akwantu and apese wutu e dey be ya say Dubai and apese woko koya juma e discover bo busuafo ofia akwanya na babo so miensa e ode visa no e dey amawo obefre our travel logistics e wo 0552 373 027 0552 373 027 afi omo etimi aboa wo anti bela ede bagay ana say LGBTQ+ hombra ho sense bebre aboma mu a o ka bia enka amani Sam George said e o se popular pa na nya agro medical ka jo say MPs enwotwe ene ne yomu gina mu a fight pa private bill no ho 21 days o se macho wi a ye de e ba be yemra na oman Ghana ni ho kwan se okura ano wetu adebete kodu e kire se sei emra ni ho kwan sa ɛna no mu ne ho kwan so yɛ ɔbaa ka so no oyɔnko ba ɛna ɛbɛda anam bɛware mmra no tinto pɛn betwam barika bɛto akɔsɛ ɛyɛ saa na ayɛ sɛ human right no waho ɛna ayɛ sɛ ɛyɛ na ayɛ no bibi some MPs so kora ha sɛ kora erezi consensus ɛsɛ sɛ gyemra no tumu sɛ sia no a sika ɛwɔ so ɔman no enya ɛde free US ɛne other countries no yɛnsa nka ɛdi nkamara deɛ nkɛyɛ na ɛwɔ time no ɛyɛ wrong US embassy of Ghana as they support the gayism and lesbianism in Tinyadi Kakran Muti. Evangelist, what it is?
Senior, I shall see what be some question with the human rights. And one now we share brandy, be no so right, or feel what at the end of it. No status or no dim comoke cansenia. Mene Augustina Ebeke Kana. Oh, so all right. So pe. Ana una maybe so. Maybe so ya mun. Wonam atinga janshi ne abrantie bi hu. No se na ni je wo hu. O pese o no fa kwan bi so a. Eye ne right ana. Sir John. Sir Mike, Yamefa said, "Your currency." Young Shet Sassamui Yanko Pong boy, dear, or you were then she said to be Biahu Bible Pose Obama quiet da Obahu or Bible. Now say, a could pen so be a Bama say on a Bama Beshia, even the same Bible. Ye who say, Mrebi Sodom ni Gomorrah, Sadia and Shasi, dear Yamede Yom. A Yachiwa dear Cassia. Yame dear no say, Yan Wonian Dorin share as I see so. A Yame say, na a quine or why de faso. A quine as I yen Yanumi, a person mo faso. A becca Yame abodieno, and then she say no so. Anna, omukra scientifically. Say me yen Bible baby, you be an a Bible. And yen fam rafi. Scientifically, ye will nipa bi wo hwa omo monama kwa na to chewo kakra. Ye friend hormonal imbalance. Inti wo behwe be ma pa nanso na kwa ni bi eye ni oba de ase. Wo behwe the way onanti the way oye ne no ni e hormonal imbalance. Omo na say omo feel say there are women trapped in the bodies of men, and now men trapped in the bodies. And all this science aspect. Anna, Yevhe, Yansan from Brafo. One, upon Chibema near upon Chibema, Sebi, or more yesa. You hardly see that. Or no, Yamen Shay, even a more envying, Sanya Yesi. Or more yesa, dear. Dear me, who say, Yen Yanuma was out to be a no. Maka the science aspect, you know. Some are even spiritual. Met me aka say bi so ye environment ye be raise wo mu no say efie me ye wo ye 10 imema ne ye 3 pe before us na ye man ko a enti say me ma me hyase ye say me nuanu mo ma ni bi enam so pe ba be ma nti de me di na chi ni ye oba or dress na te say be ma say be ya me be ma me ba enka me sister no me hunu se ne ye bia ne ne dressing nyina akoye bema eye se eto omutrim se onokra aja mo e bema ema e de sa de ne ba enti ye beka ho asem aka ho asem Ghana ye constitution no wonim se entumi nka ne potintia ene ye nya MPs 7 na mo ye NDC 4 one ye MPP nia ode ne support aka ho ye ya twere gukrata so and your parliament. Speaker of parliament. Say nya beto na animu nko adea. Ne ye wo ye as speaker no. Obeye am make sure say enne saa de no ye nya ne poma sibre. Eti mebo all those who are behind it. I cassette even the Catholic bishops. Pentecostal council. Omu nyina de almost said we have their spiritual backing, physical, even say scabbing or modern budget at the abua.
But some MPs also come and say, it is right. Say, Southern ends also. By the time and now, and yet, if it's a covering free.
Yes, say that argument, no, Mate, Gabi Ocheda, Nana Kufado, ne wafa sino, or then a Mura, Naman, your same baby, no, send your Sibu or mine baby, no, or also Akabi. No more Casano, no more can say. Jessica, Tamos Penso, David Cameron, Edisa, Dianobi, Eddie Batasica, was uncle for the son of you. So, would dear come right here, mean will be 2 cities, and then your bunny baby a goon for 2 cities, and your como, ya. But yea, as for mine, for me, even COVID, I don't see COVID as a curse. I see it as a blessing in disguise. COVID by and an anado, because of basic hospitals within 1 year, was here, and can not only COVID oneself, they won't be able to see, yen, 1 year upon within some, to me alcohol. Nanado COVID by ye, I found with their Jibusia baby, or fine ye, and then COVID by ye, I feel also be cut $25 million near the Ayada vaccine. COVID by 1 year and over. Say yeah, vaccine wa ha. Ka by now Ghana ye eton bi kuranya ska. Anka o met me
what you come see. Professor Twa.
Oh yeah man nanado asemi ya ye diama no. So nanado take committee.
It's a process.
Or the professor Boate Etwa no. E ko see say 1 year 7 months and as we speak COVID ekunipa almost 900. Omo enya bi kura ho ato omo ye almost 96,000 enya ne packet o omo enya bi eye over 100,000 emre bi me be kan wa time and that 1,500 say ya hwe ni ye better 100,000 so be ka ya ene ye ntwam me yan komsheni me nyan komsheni but ni odi o man no so no na na montuo no utumi hwe ehu se ade we be yesi me be ka say dollar better 6 cedis ene na andanana dollar 3 cedis na minua e ka say o say yanka economics ni ade economics bia nche de ye kan and as we speak obi anya COVID obi ya won panie no nipa dodo say ne yawo nipa ya wo mo panie ye over population almost 31 million omo ya wo mo double dose na ndru 500,000 omo a wo single no ye ka eno na bro 1 million ukra wo single ya the second one na wo mu nan say amoya ya about
okay menas
now we see we no so je
or this senior in fact the catastrophic economic situation of Ghana is the direct result of the hopeless incompetence of Dr. Bawumia as head of economic management team and the desire to win the 2020-2024 elections, which led to the reckless overspending. It is also the reason for the extreme hardship Ghanaians are facing today, because because they have wasted money of re-election and imposed heavy taxes on us. My regards to lawyer Elizabeth Ofusu Ejare, we James Opoku, deputy youth organizer at Tetima North, and James Jeffrey or the Abba. Good evening, Sir Mike. NPP can never win this seat. If they want, they can bring their incompetent national security or their vigilantes groups. Then the people of Ascent North are not in Ghana. Upon all the NPP incompetent ruling, NPP still want votes? No way. Jerry Timothy, the free or the Abba, or say the High Court has already passed a judgment, even before the swearing in of the MP for Ascent North. So no problem, the NPP should take the seat. 2024 is coming to meet us all. Enoch Apia, free. Enoch Apia Mano from Jumako. Samai, good evening. Please tell the NPP man that they should forget about the Ascent North by-election, because Ghanaians have now seen the recklessness of this Nana Addo's government, and nothing shows they are going to vote for his followers. like father, like sons. Greetings to the income LGBTQ.
Medase. Unim se sadie we me na de baby me gine bia no meka ma obi ate se enya ade aban we yesoso so ne yesoso so china.
Why is it that most of the MPs
so
are silent?
Ohwe ayina Sam George ene di enimo. Eye call a oman ni nyina e call for say anaso ade we eye chiwade eye den e boman. Na wo kan kiro no kura mpo na evangelist wa hayi na ye mede. I think say Proverbs honum baby. Or say okode kwan ewiem ship eye nsuo so na obema ne ho kwan eye oba ho.
Bema ho kwan.
Eye oba so chase. Inti se ene yese ye koje nkofo yi nipa kakra bi o na mo to ahye o man almost 30 million so se ye nyesa de ni ntum prekope but ene ye nya ko bebre a o mo ka se ye nyintum a ne private bill eda emra hye bedwuma ye try se benyini na ye de ye nsa ye den ashase in US semai ye ti US kroni nyina din but ye wo krobi o US a omunye LGBTQ nentum Alabama engine tum Texas engine tum Louisiana engine tum Michigan engine tum ye wo state ahodwa omunje eye this LGBTQ ne de entum enti ye ntument nase ne enkase enkrofo kakra bi no emfa eye sa echiwade ye bomanyi ema meto o manfo ne so enti wobete say imam for kasa the Christian Council kasa o manfo ne nyina obi akasa say anaso ade we de adabraka na sebi Mike maka ewo baby say sebi yo enye jimi sema ekibinya obi say me ye president for this ade we ama yenya sa ko we friend say for good don go say wan
I say I'm right
say no kasa kra sebi na ye metan so ta say o kasa na ye metan because o hwe de wa ye ne ho na Ghana fo no ye nhwa ade bi ye still nkrofo we operate obekaya na no la girls omo headmistress abeka kira wo say ye hu say eye ye school nkura de bi no ekra this LGBTQ4 omo friends omo flags ni omo flyers ade ewe de ewo school mo it meaning say yakase omani yanjintum but underground no omo ye adwuma
yamo NDC for nabaso MPs no
MPP hoi won say nyame sofo eka ho ever say Reverend Tim for your Deputy Education Minister also no so ensa ye den ehase de ye call for ni nyina ne say anaso enye adwuma ewo krom ase but ene yate say nkrofo kase economy e be affect economy say Mike eye no kre oni me bi Ghana haya ye hoi ye budgeter titru for education sector ye wo amaya hodo a omo sponsor yen wo ebi ti say Denmark Germany omo nyina mo hwe yen wo eye education sector no it definitely ade wo ye dituma e be affect ye kwan baby so but the chene say nyankopon ne hwe nipa enye nipa so to say nyankopon ne hwe nipa iti ana so mo se say ye magie echiwade ye boman we entum de na mo ma yesika aban we no ye capable say betumi ayden amanage o manfo no because yan ka bi yansem e na covid putuburu ye den e baaye no bisasa na aban no abagete fo ana but ne nyina mu no aban ni tumi hwe ne manfo aban ni hwe ne manfo e ma o mo nsuo no mkwa ene yenya evangelist ete ya ka say covid ba ye na kufa da fa ho abobozie wa yese menua bosia bo bebreba president kufa do giye no won bedi wonanu mo ye kan hu sa papa ne ka asemi wo say me dwi nipa nkwa achi the economy and the economy na sase e bonimu adanti na mo nkasa say the economy na e bonimu no enye no kre wo hu say economy ni bonimu so to say it ye MPP for no we have the men and we are capable of managing the economy yenti se mo sabi ye di o manage mo nsa no mo de ko sha ayi befo ye betumi aye adwuma ye betumi the economy na back to life but nipa nkwa de ye ntumi famba nti sika bebrebe ni ye no fre doctors ne bisa wo mo fre nurses ne bisa wo mo say omo se eye this a friend saying anyoma na mo hye e de call this covid patients no ho na the PPEs na bisa wo mo say omo hye koba omo de kofie ade tia no ma shaba omo sa that very day na omo yigu ho esan hye foforo eno onye sika na ye de ye covid ba yes ya sa hye Ghana for evangelist we are walking evidence of
okay ketwa bi on yesika sel besia ye boy say besia no mo de 60% abeka ho na in 4 years or 60% abeka ho say dem benya 8 years na ko be 82
me makana mesa kabium se ndc fo na ya babusia bisa wo mo se mess be no mu kreti wo krom ha omo mess wo mu kreti ye na aban we aba and ho kreti da mess no yemfa ye ni nko ba bia ye nko the financial sector mo hwe mess ahodo a mu kreti wo krom ha mo hwe ponzi scheme ahodo a mu kreti wo krom ha Ghana for 4.5 million and kom ho be kwa game omo sika sema be say wo krom ha sei but in Shanka do danko ekufuado obaye we injected 21 billion Ghana cedis and I must say ya babu si atefrim ebio your mess am kreti ye our health insurance aswe ye na Ghana for call cash and carry omo de card ne ko hospital yes first kabla but ne free magana for free no mon kan kire yin and na wo de card ne kwa and one say ye den ye hwe free azabia man komo ye yin semai mobile money interoperability ni mazana komo ye omo se Ghana for ye yama ye de sika $4 billion and yes idea but MPP aban ye ba ye the less than $1 million and I am mobile money interoperability ye ko road sector mo ka che Ghana for the car 11 billion Ghana cedis over the road sector
personally
ye ba be mu adwen kese ken operator o say Ghana for mo wo se wa ye Ghana kwan no ye contractor for certificate brand na ba be jusika 70% into me raise certificate but ne nyanom say Ghana for the car 11 billion ye ko ye forensic audit we ye minia de na e car Ghana for the
what you
6 billion
what you boka
me no ka say ye tuemu 5.5 billion Ghana cedis
what other for no
yes ometumi afre no maka so just say MPP ye nwa ye no mo your mess am kreti ye wonim say Mike e wo constitution me dem am constitution number mami wie say Mike man dem am constitution number they tell say constitution is all on kwai say ye den o bobo senti aban bia ba otumi bobo se and na interest en kwa ye tua wo loans a fe kwa me nkruma braso be sie radon mahama braso no close to 60 billion Ghana cedis and then NDC for am say ye ya bobosia ye hu de ye de aye your mess am kreti ye no ya ba be correct sa mess ni nia
senior that
a mess everyone pa
the first point me person me bisa me nua ene say wo se Kwame Nkrumah pen so abesi eyibosia bo wo refi say President Kufuor pen so or the echo epic am I here right of your debt I ono na san start am I pk ana check it phone na da ho
come on right of all our debts $5.7 billion and I'm writing off
me da say na ka say
President Kufuor official 9 billion
I want say me mpo wa ma me nkomo na ye de minua ena yetie ka say mreni ho ena yetie ka say Ghana eka ye die eye 332 billion nanado eba ye no na Ghana ka ye die ye 122 billion sa wuti free mu a nanado nko abobosia 210 billion he yemfa ne say Mahama ka bosia oboye 54 billion no ai wom no nanado nko a ne betua ni nyina sa what take 54 ni free 210 nanado yembo na baso watua Mahama ka ni nyina ebeka say se bi beka watua President Kufuor Mills even Nkrumah ka ni nyina otua ebinka menua wabo busia we nyina etua yembo wa baso watua ka ni nyina he MPP for economics a Ghana for etiasie me maame amaje wa etiase aye say nyame aye madom na maka se mama ma send 1000 cedis se me maame ekogina Elmina dwomu a no diga emokobuo eburobuo sa no ma no eni ne economics out ase o sika kura na na prof se me friend purchasing power
okay
na no do atumi abo sa abosia we nyina o minu yi kan wo betua mahama kan mahama bo bosia no den no de ye
mahama ka wo
60 billion now say den one bo bosia 210 when you 60 e dey atua granted say bi beka mahama bosia o boy o de eja ye kejetia na na do nkyere one marketer we sia e wo the whole Ghana right betumi aye compared no no, you
open good.
Seven schools, John Mahama, Amaye schools scattered all over. Even as Antimantemra, we can mention hospitals. Nanado hospital, hospital, Nanado share your book. So, Bamaye 88, cry 111.
Agenda 1.
Nanado Maye 1, Minu and Chilame 1. Met your casca, yen me and Senya, Aqua Hospital,
yes, district hospital.
Put him the side aspect, so when you were talking, it didn't mean all that. Medicine. A Bosia Baby and Anado, Abro, Mahama Woho, Asla Eka says, a Bosia Bonnie, the Buo Maya, neba 16 years, bet to me a Buo Mino, and then Anado, Abboam and Abroso, Aso Nebano. 16 years ebe to me abuana ne woman say menua ene no mabuo ayede no kura wom say so to petrol 1 gallon ye tibi edi kotua bosia bebre ananado abono enti they will keep on piling taxes ene kura ye bola taxes
right papa me 0202668461 0202668461
Good evening, Mike.
Where Congress?
I Congress that meeting
Mintio.
Mike, my name is let me tell you, I find out that the car. It's let me check up your quality on the buy. Let me check TK by the way. Mike, what was that? Mama, bring you go for what is you way? The digital winter go power. Can I mention what day? What if they get from where they are playing? The whole family empty before them and not the Jamba, or when they get to the Juno, or what you have to buy a more. Then I'm going to be anything. I think by 2017 to 2020, if I do 2016, before 159 empties, I think the 103. And so she needs to put to a 2 1 year, and take this down to the United States, 137. And yet, you or my year, and the shit they get to the before or my real bottle. So much of Kunia Popo, all the cigar with the car.
Okay, Yana say, okay, good evening. Hello, good evening. According to IMF reports, okay, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, I'm free.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, I'm free. I just say to you. Okay. Kumugu etio.
What is the one for the India? What is one that can get it? One for the and so what? You would want to run the map, my president, or your money. Most of you what is here, you're seeing some amount of and I want my family about begin the map of Wabu. After you want to and the amount of other for. What if you get a young one about you? If you want to go about the getting the fire, was like, you put another dump one another again, and I was like,
right. You're not saying you're looking for. Hello, good evening. Yeah, be actually free. We are actually free until. I mean, my phone don't come from 19. Why? We think we don't know so. Kasa itio. Kasa itio ada.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, me kakina ne se yebike sewi. I to na yede. O da point kura bikina mendi dia. So ya to mendi. And you before can no forget it. And before so you are waiting there. Yes, they could have a sewi and you don't before can the end kura. Or before you the only who are for so that you are exactly a fine kura muka de anya. Of a to be a free so.
Okay, you're nasty. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Alright, me how you proud?
Teacher carry me, papa.
Teacher.
So quite a son Ghana, but any son about that, and say, never be a son Ghana, sir. Let me try to.
Amen.
My family by my son, so you can't be sure and come not to teaching me, sir. No one can be clear. Because the last one I'm telling you, because the Ghana, you teach castle. And so on the and mate, you are not a tissue, but no come to your church up and I'm by the Ghana was. And the Ghana medium will make up the common man. Come to your the Yaka says, you have said, to tie the one on my Ghana, the album to contact with you. Again, it's a mouth of contact with you. And if you catch a economy in the phone, the people said, you won't let the now maybe my son over at the loss. Let's say, you need details in the video, but even said, no to be good with so, and particular, I review 10 elections.
One time 3 minutes, now I'm in Vanvacosi. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. We are actually free. Mr. Tavia, better media. Now, I am control a course in the said and one. Well, say, according to IMF's report, Ghana's economy is recovering and has been projected to be in good shape by 2022, all things being equal. Okay. The Abano. We say this minority press conference on the economy is full of discrepancies, inconsistencies, and is baseless. Okay. Robbie Fashion, so they are the Abba. Or say Ghanaians should just exercise patience because President Nado is determined to make the laws of Ghana deal with all the corrupt public officials. Regards to Dr. Kumar. Dr. John Kumar. Okay, we say NDC minority press conference was full of lies. So Mike, tell the NPP to keep quiet because they have nothing good to offer us. You ever see? Now, I know be asma ubusa, and they say any good omina na. What they are saying of one more here. Say a free or tina, a quiet say, Mubinya Bio. Mokwan school there swapa e bebo amamo wa na pa adwuma o ye youth ai bia pa adwuma o ye adwuma na ye ubenya adwuma ni bia ye we dey sa na esie and this was us and because was in the ascent of Ghana nyina ni ba mo project o Ghana nyina no o dey be say in the next weeks eba no ni na do go ascent of Ghana no sa na tie enu abatu pa dia ohun pani bia ho sa kwa leja so da da boa mo dem mo ye ade
se mai
yes yeko
the ten say MPP ni ye adwuma deda so ta say
na me say
o say last year ni ye ka
your head na say no
beba last year no ye ka say last year ye ka say a year of fruits this year so you send declare say a year of fruits so ta say nyame adum echina
ye na ha me ne say na ha me ne say we say year of fruits ni bia da kwa mi wa ye hyase e wa say no e to ba ni wie ye no e kwan no contractor in this side by way of ruling in Abano if it's a contractor no move the message there the cost site wo nti ya pan na mu didi adwene ho na na mo so mo to aba na mo ni na ho
say like asaba me chiro ne say fear china ko no
mo be ko
o say kenofureta be ko ayemra shebedwem e de media budget review na kwa kudu media budget review no de wom ne say ye the plans ye wo ema oman no eba betuda e fa edumasem ho nti eduma de
ibaba
china ye be hu the plans because ye shall say the 11,840 ababa betum
what about we
police the immigration the
communication PP and I'll take evangelist
Sir John
why do you keep on calling me
Sir John crazy Sir Mike no cray woman say Ghana for a share ye nyina na yeti o man mu se nanado ni hyehyɛ no ekoyi a ye nyina na ye fi se na wo kogina petrol station na wo top petrol na wo tua na wo seresere ye wo na wo se se na wo top cement na wo top na wo tua na wo seresere ye wo a enti asen se ni ase John kan
men John
se Mike e kan every echine ko it may even be tonight Mubamu say MPP, omo de omani bibia beba ho. For me and for your development. Bibia omo beba be ye bia sika omo de beba. Munjini nyina, na momumra na so a. Monto enhye NDC animu
Evangelist Richard Pra, NDC communication team member and former PC insurance constituency na attending Kano. The fact is that it's a project to honor gusu koso dia o de hwe ejuma koso no na fa to aba no na mmom se na kwata na jakwan na agu ho e na ye be election to be ba kwan ha be to akwan no so dia manager kwan na mamo but no kwa se mom so an to ama wo so a e kwan no be se ja no ho biu ti upa ne de he Ghana politicians nyame enka ho me de ne se Mike ai kuma TV nyame adu wachina ye be shia yakra
animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo o asofo nso no manya ma asore ma akom obi wo amene wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da ejuoda ebenada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo be to me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wawo akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wawo akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma fe na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na ono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kira wo kwan no wo be hu say abeye mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta da bibi bo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena